How to turn on lost mode for AirTag and turn off again. Misplaced mode is among the most necessary AirTag features, because it helps you discover gadgets hooked up to an AirTag. To place an AirTag on this mode, it's worthwhile to have your iPhone, iPad, or Mac useful. Here is methods to put an AirTag in misplaced mode on an iPhone. The steps are related when utilizing an iPad or Mac. Open Discover My in your iPhone. Faucet Gadgets. Choose the AirTag that you just misplaced within the gadget's record. You may see choices to play a sound or instructions. Nonetheless, to mark it as misplaced, swipe up on the menu to point out further choices. Faucet Allow within the misplaced mode part. Choose Proceed within the info display. Faucet the cell phone quantity subject. Enter your cell phone quantity and faucet subsequent. If somebody finds your AirTag, they may have the ability to see the cell phone quantity you enter. In the event you favor, faucet use an email tackle as an alternative. Faucet Activate. You'll be able to faucet the Notify when discovered toggle to obtain a notification when your merchandise is discovered. What occurs when you flip on misplaced mode for an AirTag? Once you activate misplaced mode for an AirTag, you've got choices to enter a cell phone quantity or email tackle and a brief message or allow notifications. Apple marks the AirTag as misplaced, and its system begins searching for it. At any time when somebody with a suitable iPhone strikes near your misplaced AirTag, their cell phone senses its presence and forwards that info to Apple. After that, one in every of two issues can occur. In the event you enabled notifications once you turned on misplaced mode, your iPhone supplies an alert that your AirTag was situated, and you'll view its location on a map. If somebody with an iPhone or an Android phone that has an NFC reader finds your tag, they will view a notification. In the event you entered a cell phone quantity or message once you arrange misplaced mode, they may see the message on their cell phone. How do you flip misplaced mode off? In the event you discover your misplaced merchandise and not need assistance from misplaced mode to find it, it is a good suggestion to show off misplaced mode instantly. This removes your AirTag from Apple's system as a misplaced merchandise and ensures you do not obtain undesirable notices about your merchandise after you discover it. Here is methods to flip off misplaced mode. Open Discover My in your gadget. Faucet Gadgets. Choose your misplaced AirTag. Drag the menu as much as reveal extra choices. Faucet enabled within the misplaced mode part. Faucet flip off misplaced mode and make sure the choice. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.